Hey, good looking. You want to sit there and see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that phone, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because we have another pantry pull meal, and I think this one you're really gonna like. So I pulled out some pepperoni that I had. I had some mozzarella, and it's already shredded. It's in this bag. I want to use what's in this bag up first. I just showed you how to make the spaghetti seasoning mix. We're going to be using a wee little bit of that. I have some tomato paste here. Now, the best thing about this is that these little mini individual pizzas are made out of the sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas. That's right. Let me tell you, oh my God, my husband and I fell in love with these sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas, and it makes an excellent little individual pizza, just like what Pizza Hut would sit there and sell. So I'm going to take one of these out. I already made up a little, I guess you could say a little pizza pan. And by the way, we're going to make this all inside the air fryer. Okay, so I took one of these sweet Hawaiian flour tortillas. We put that down. We're going to grab some tomato paste. We're going to spread it all the way around. Get it as close as you can to the edges. Now, you can put as much or as little as you want on. So, okay, we got that all spread out. Now, I'm just going to grab just a pinch of this spaghetti seasoning. And don't worry, I'll be leaving my air fryer temperature is set at 400 degrees. We're going to sit there and air fry these up for 3 to 4 minutes. All depends on how well you like to have your little pizzas to be. Everybody has their own preference. So, off to the air fryer this goes. As you see, I have it in the bottom of my Instapot Vortex mini air fryer. Now, I told you, 400 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna quick check on it. Ooh, yes. I'm just gonna grab myself a fork. And we're gonna bring it over and remove it from the pan. Look at that. Now, if you wanted to take it further than this real simplified version of an individual pizza, go for it. You can put mushrooms on there. You can put peppers on there, black olives. The sky's the limit. But that's our pantry pull meal for today. So if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. And if you're new to my family, welcome. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?